What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Man, I've been out here messing with everything today, y'all. I've been messing with some of everything, but finally I'm finna get a chance to test Dolo out, man. Finna test it, man. I got to, man. I got the converter in. Y'all know I tested it on the radials, but this time wifey here, man, I had to wait till she get back to start the video call. I'm just now finna go test. So I'm finna see what the converter hand like on the wheel, man. I mean, it was a step forward, it showed me on the radio, but it's just a whole lot more violent. So I'm finna give y'all some outside footage, man, and I'm gonna get wifey to record, cause I need to see how it moving myself. But I'm gonna go ahead and post it, show y'all. I hope it ain't too radical, man. I don't know what to expect really with it. It's definitely more radical on the radio, so I'm expecting that on these too. I'm hoping the extra tread and tie help me out a little bit. It could help or it could hurt, either or. But I mean, where I got it set, shot and stuff, man, it should be fine. But I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna get with wifey, and then I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all, it's the next day. So I had so much going on, I didn't get a chance to close the vlog out. But as y'all can see, I gotta get a handle. I gotta get a handle on Dolo all over again, man. I'm finna slide down here, boy. I had to put my eyes so I can see. Okay, that coyote, boy, I got to see. But I gotta get a handle on Dolo all over again, man. That's the thing. This is what I want to talk about too. Like, that is why you only make one change at a time, man. That's why you don't go making 1,000 changes at a time and then your car react totally different. It might move forward or it might slow down, but then you don't know which one is which. This is a perfect example. I made one change and it, man, completely transformed the car. I'm talking about completely transformed it, man. So It definitely more violent. Like you can see that. That ain't the video show that, man. It ain't no question to ask about it. Like it's definitely more violent, man. Like it putting it down. It putting it down, man. It already was putting it down, but it putting it down. So you talking about got to, man, go shock settings and shoot. They basically like retuning all over again, relearning and all that. Cause y'all know, like when it came to the wheels, like I ain't had no help, man. I just did all that. I learned all that myself through trial and error. Cause I really do a lot of testing. I'm telling y'all, people, I don't be playing. I mean, I started the Hangout last year, and if you're in the BCG Hangout, then you know what I mean now. But before the Hangout, I was doing all this and wasn't recording it, man. Like I get Wi-Fi. I got so many clips. I need to do a video. Well, I got clips where I'm testing basically, man. I'm in Mexico testing. Make sure y'all ain't fogging up. And like I said, I'm going up the roads, pads and shakes downs and stuff. But I had to learn, man. I had to learn to see what works. And now I got to do it all over again. That sun ain't creeping out. I got to do it all over again, man. Cause this joker here, I gotta get a handle on it, man. So y'all saw, man, come by the camera. It was trying to roll. Well, I ain't trying. It was rolling now. Don't get me wrong. And then I had to lift, cause it's spinning the tires so hard. Like my other converter, man. Of course, it'll blister the tires, but it was a later reaction, man. This joker here from the word go. So I'm like, man, I got to really get the tweaking and tuning on this joker. Really get the tweaking and tuning, man. Let me see. That cover right here. Done blew up. Meats cover done blew up, man. I ain't about these big covers, boy. That wind to get up on them. They try to take off, so you get these car covers, man. Strap them down. Make sure you strap them down. Look at that. I gotta get one for R&B. I ordered one for Dolo. I need to go order another one called for R&B. Cause Dolo, look at that. That whole joker ripped. It ripped right there, man. I said, no go. It old though. They some good car cover. I still stand behind them, like I said, man. I get them from Amazon. Everybody keep asking. Go look in the link. Go look in the description, man. They in the description box. I put the link to them cause I do get asked so much. Man, I'm going to roll it, man. This glare finna hollering at y'all. But like I was saying, man, I really do. This joker here is a whole nother animal now. Get y'all right. Right, there we go. But like I said, I really want to do the video, and I was thinking about it. I was like, man, let me put it up for everybody to see, cause I be trying to teach people too. And when you testing and tuning, man, you only make one change at a time. Even if it seems like it's minuscule and small, make that one change before you get the and go test before you get to change something else. Once you got that figured out, like, okay, so this responsible for this, the reason my car acting like this, then go to the next thing. So I still gotta properly diagnose the cutting out, which I got it down to where it's I think it's that fuel filter, man. And I'm gonna have a video coming up, man. I'm gonna take that fuel filter out, but during the timeline, I said it probably about time for it. It's probably about time. Fuel filters, you gotta keep them changed out pretty regularly, man. On any car, you just gotta keep them changed out. So I said it been over a year, so I like it definitely probably time for that fuel filter, man. So I'm gonna get onto that joker and check it out. Regular maintenance, plugs and stuff. Which the plugs, no, the plugs ain't bad, man. The plugs, they don't go bad that fast. But I need to have some more on the way. I like to keep them on hand, man. Especially them NGK, boy. Them jokers get gone. So I order a bunch of them at a time. So I usually order like 3, 4, 6, and I'm gonna need some NGK for meats too. So I really need to be ordering some. But that's what it is, man. Y'all see, we got man, we ain't searching for nothing. But y'all see, we got some tuning to do, man. I'm trying to do it in a short period of time. I plan on hitting the track this week, or I don't know when y'all seeing it, man. I done shot so many vlogs for y'all. Y'all might be seeing it after the track. I might have already done hit the track. I don't know. But at the time I'm shooting it, man, I said I plan on hitting the track, and I hadn't hit the track. And I'm going to try it out at the track. I definitely want to see Jmalcom. Man, Mexico, it ain't do nothing. And it crazy. You see, y'all don't know, but I'm like, man, I just went the fastest I ever went in Mexico, man. With the fresh setup, the first hit, man, on the wheel, that joker went the fastest it ever went, man. I might put that pass up for y'all in another vlog, man. That joker went the fastest it ever went on the first hit. I said, oh boy, we working with something, boy. I already know what they're gonna be when we go to the track. That shit, boy. Then I thought I said, man, my train brake, man. But I'm finna start. Hey, watch now. Y'all know every time now, last time they happened, I blitzed on tire, boy, it created a monster. I said, I'm gonna get this joker right. And then I kept tweaking at it. And when I went to Middle Georgia, I hit a goal I had been trying to hit, man. That before I had to freshen it up. I went and I hit a goal I had been trying to hit, man. I made that jump happen. And now my goal is to get this joker leaving on the trans brake on the wheels. So that's what I'm about to start tuning for. Like, I'm finna get this jump together, the chassis. I'm gonna tune the chassis and stuff, the suspension. And I'm gonna get this joker where I can go on that trans brake and that joker going boom, cause it's gonna make the suspension work like it's supposed to, man. When I'm foot braking, the suspension already working. It's already working, man. So I was like, nah, on that trans brake make your suspension settle, and then it do what it's supposed to. That's why when you see them grab the car, go down like that, it pancake, and then that joker, whoom, depending on what kind of shocks you got too. But that's what I'm planning on doing. So, yeah, man, that's the plan. That's the plan, man. We're gonna get this joker together. So, that's it, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.